Good evening. Plus and minus. The difference is 8. 60 plus 8 plus 8 times 60 plus 8. 52 Earth. 44 area space. 52. 60. 68. 76. What percentage? 13, 13, 13, 13. 52. 8, 8, 8. 52 does not reduce by 8. 52 goes to 44. 44 goes to 36. 36 goes to 28, the moon. 28 goes to 20. 20 goes all the way to 12. 12 goes all the way to 4. 4, 12, the purple joint sky. That's where we begin. We begin on D, delta, the delta angle. 0 equals to a total of 64. 6 times 4, 6 plus 4 equals 10, 24. The number to the Super Bowl equaling to 14. 14 equaling to the sun. If it was 21, it would be father in the egg. Equaling to DC, add them together is 48, minus it is 20. 68, spirit of the 9 lives of the cat of the half-life. 2 times 4, 2 plus 4 will equal to the final number. 10 or 16, zeros equal 6, add them or minus them. The 8 sky, 20, 20. 16 and 8, the difference is the day and the night. 8 night, the 16 day to 8 night. 40 and 8 is 48, the sun becomes 68. 68 and 40 is 108, becomes 168, becomes the week. 48 plus or minus becomes 32. Call it the freezing point. You know what's great about this is because it all works out. A, B, C, D to delta angle. 1 times 2 times 3 times 4. Forget about 1. The multiplication in itself says 24 without the 1. When you add the 1, we have the 9 worlds plus 1. It is the 9 star, the 19. It is the mother, is the movement of the oceans. Now let's do this reverse, or count it down to the single digit. 2 and 6 is 8, and 5 is 13. 14 and 8 is 22, and 1 is 23, 28. Cycle of the moon. Counting it this way, you have 33. Counting it that way, you have 31. 31 and 33, 64. That's your alternate current. When we count it the reverse, all these will equal to 27. There's 4 numbers. 4 by 27 equals to 108. Will equal to 168. That means 4 is what creates your week. It's all about the delta angle. Delta and Dalet. Dalet in French. 1, 22, 9, 12. My favorite month, the month of fish. April. Avril. Avis is a notice. Lives. The totality of lives, 22, 23, and 9, 32, 42, 44 area space. 44 area space. This is the reverse of your 0. 44. 44 to a single count. 4 and 1 is 5, and 9 is 14, 15, 16, 17. The 7th gate. 1 times 7, 1 plus 7 is 8 and 7, 15. 15, 51, area Mars. Il or Ilo means the island. The island of. V or 6 equals to life. 1 to 12 equals to the life in the gateway. 44 and 17, 61, the 1 spirit of the half-life. We minus it, equals to 27. 2 times 7 is creation. All your corners. So this is how 0 comes to be. A, B, C, D is what makes it up. And this is what the Super Bowl is all about. It was all about that number. Raphael, 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus, plus and minus. We reduce to where the separation is, and then we start from there. This number will only reduce down to 4. If we started at 5, it would be 13, 21. That's right in your Fibonacci area. 29 is your birth. 37 is the first area of 36 numbers. I don't remember how to exactly say it. It is the wings. 37 becomes 45. 45 is the foxhole and sun. Then it becomes 53 electric company. And then 61, you're on Mars. 69 is rotation. 77 is Christ. 85 is the matrix. 93 puts you on Saturn. 101, splitting the center. 101, splitting the center. 101, 2 sides. When we start here, we start over here, right? There's 4 blocks. 101, because it's from this side to the center to this side, right? The only way the center takes up, these 2 are joined at the center. It takes all 4 of these to join these 2 sides. Raphael, 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Pieces and parts until finally we're going to put this together so everybody understands that this world was built because it's way too perfect to have these associations. Thank you. From the House of Paint.